What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently or delete all chats on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the DM section on the top right corner. And here you'll find any chat you want to delete. So let's head over to our request section as I have unrestrict. Let's unrestrict this person and give them a hi. So suppose I want to delete this chat. What I'll do is keep tapped on it and this layout will arrive in front of me. And here you can see there is option of unsend and delete for you. If you just suddenly tap on delete for you, it will just delete from your side. It will not be delete from their side. This message will be kept on their side. So make sure to tap on unsend. And here you can edit messages for up to 15 minutes. This type of prompt will come. Just tap on unsend. And your message is unsent from both sides, yours and theirs too. So yeah, this is how you can delete your Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hope this video helps and we will see you in the next video.